How to add link to Instagram post. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, now over here you will find all of your posts. Now head towards the post in which you want to add the link. Open it. Now at the top right corner of the post, you will find three dots. Click on it. Now click on the option of edit. Now over here you'll find this section for a caption. Make sure you have already copied the link that you want to add in your post. Now you can paste the link over here. Once you paste it, click on done. So this way you can easily add link to Instagram post. But unfortunately this link is not clickable. Likewise, head back. Instead you can add link to your Instagram profile. For that you can click on this option of edit profile. Now over here you will find this section of links. Click on it. Click on the option of add external link. Now I can paste the link over here and then click on done. Now you can head back to your profile page. This link will be clickable. Well, this is how you can easily add link to Instagram post. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.